Anyway, why did I do that? Hey guys, today's lunch is brought to you by what can I get rid of that is in my cupboards and fridge. So we have a tortilla, and this is Bella's new favorite way of eating one. It is the TikTok way. I'm sure you've seen it because it's been around forever. But what you do is you cut from like the center to the end like this. So it just kind of like opens up. Then you take your cheese, whatever cheese you got. Today I have shredded cheddar. And you're going to put it in your whole tortilla like this. Okay. And then what you're going to do, actually this spot, I don't think you really need quite as much because that spot's going to get folded up. I always kind of leave this one blankish. So anyway, you're going to fold your tortilla up like this till it meets with this side. If you are on TikTok, you've seen this a million times. So I'm sorry if I'm redundant to you, but some people don't have TikTok, so they don't know. And then you fold it like this. And then you fold it like this. And then you have like this little pocket thing. And the people on TikTok are way more creative with their quesadillas. They are putting things in every single little quadrant. They're making these into breakfast sandwiches. So you can get super creative with it. But today, we're just doing the cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to my pan until I can grill up both sides. And then I'll come back and we will pack her lunch. I'm making her TikTok stuffed cream cheese peppers. We've made them before. You guys know what I'm doing, but it's basically just a pepper. It's completely just a pepper cut in half. And then I add a little bit of cream cheese to it. And then you take this everything but the bagel seasoning and you sprinkle it on. And you're done. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. She's going to get some cucumber. What should we do? Should we do sticks or coin? I feel like we've done coins a lot of times. Let's do sticks. And just put them right into here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bella's requested some ranch for her cucumbers. Okay, I, for some reason, grabbed like the biggest spoon that I have. It's like gigantic. And I grabbed a huge thing. How am I going to get this in? I'm like struggling here. Just drop in. Yes. So here is what it looks like when it is all done. It's just like a little quadrant of quesadilla goodness. There's cheese between every single little layer. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh, the cheese is getting squeezed out by me holding it like this. So let's just drop them in. Okay, and then I'm going to also drop in more cheese. I don't know what my deal is with cheese lately, but she's getting cream cheese, cheese. Evidently, I'm like in a cheesy type of mood. And I finished off the Cheez-Its, so now I can start a brand new box. Here is Bella's lunch today. She is getting a cheesy ooby gooey quesadilla from TikTok recipes, some Cheez-Its, sour cream for her quesadilla, ranch for her cucumbers, and then the TikTok cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning peppers. So here is her lunch today. We'll see what she eats.
Okay, Bella, how did I do?
How did you do? A little bit of your quesadilla left. That shocks me. Usually you scarf that thing down.
I had a snack before too.
You did. She did have a snack. So there you go. Used a little bit of your sour cream, it looks like, but not much of your ranch.
Not much at all.
Did you just change your mind?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right. And your Cheez-Its. Okay, good lunch.
Yes.
Good job.
Thanks.
Today, Bella wants, this was actually a recommendation that I had forgotten about. And I can't remember what else they had said. I don't even know if I still have the screenshot of who had recommended it. It was either on TikTok or YouTube. So if it was you that had said this lunch, then comment and I will pin your comment and look for your original post. She's getting Nutella and peanut butter. And thank you, by the way, for your guys' recommendations. I'm going to start doing that again probably the second week of May. So get your suggestions in now. So I've added this little liner because this section's huge and I lost my divider. I have no clue where it went. Down here, I'm going to throw in some grapes. She really liked having peanut butter and pretzels. So I was just going to make it ahead of time. Now, if I was sending this to her, you know, at school, I wouldn't probably do this because I would be afraid the pretzels would get too soft, but she's just eating it right now, so it'll be fine. And then I'm gonna just stack some pretzels. Okay, and then let me show you the sandwich. So here she is, all nice and golden brown. The Nutella is like dripping out or wants to escape. So I'm going to chop it like it's hot. Get it? Triangles or rectangles, Bella?
For what?
Your Nutella peanut butter grilled sandwich. Okay. Let's see how it turned out. Oh. Have you guys ever had Nutella and mascarpone? Is that how you say it? Cheese? So good. Add a little bit of yogurt that I was going to throw in. Oh, why did I touch it? Weird. And then I also have a yummy little pepper that I was going to throw in. She is getting a peanut butter Nutella sandwich, some cherry yogurt, yellow pepper, some grapes, and some pretzels with peanut butter. So here's her lunch. So we'll see what she eats. All right, Bella.
How'd I do? I was not
Not letting me slam it. Oh, that guy's messy. I want to know, how was this peanut butter Nutella?
I would want it again.
Yeah?
Like, I would want it every vacation we got, everything.
Who suggested that?
That was really good,
Yeah,
too.
somebody suggested that. That was somebody's idea. So thank you so much. That was fun. And your overload of peanut butter, was that okay?
Yeah.
You ate all the pretzels?
I'm thinking I'm going to have that again in the morning.
Oh, what?
The sandwich.
Oh.
That was really good.
Okay. All right. And a few grapes left, but I had packed you a few grapes. Or a lot of grapes, I should say. All right. Good job.
Thanks.
Today, I have egg salad in here, by the way. I just made her a quick little egg salad sandwich. And I'm going to cut it out into the shape of, well, I guess shapes of puzzles. Here they are. Then you just pop them out. They're so cute. I love them. I did something really fun with the sandwich, so I'm going to show it to you here. But I'm going to drop in a little, this is just a cupcake liner that I just flatten out and throw right into her lunchbox. And let me grab the sandwich. I spray painted it using my Wilton food mist thing. I spray painted it. I got a little bit too much right here, and I'm really hoping that it just, well, it's not coming off of my finger. It came out really fast and kind of freaked me out. Anyway, I spray painted it. So I added a few little silicone liners, and down here I'm going to give her some yogurt. I did it. And we have busted out another can of pears because we have like 8 cans of pears. So I'm totally okay with her eating as many pears as she wants to. So here is Bella's lunch. It's a pretty simple one today. Just an egg salad sandwich cut into the shape of the puzzle pieces, some yogurt, and some pears. So we'll see what she eats. All right, Bella, how'd you do? Very good job. What happened?
I kind of dropped it.
Dropped it where?
Like, I picked this up to eat it and I kind of dropped it.
Why would you pick it up, dude?
Well,
What the heck is wrong with
when
you?
I was reading a book, my hammock, I wanted to eat it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Leave these in there. Like when I put the yogurt in. By the way, when I'm putting these in, like the silicone things, don't send them to school like I am. Bella does school at home. She is homeschooled this year, so she's not going anywhere. So typically it doesn't spill except for today. Anyway, good job, Bella.
Yeah.
Today, Bella is going to get a peanut butter sandwich. I'm just putting the peanut butter in the center. You'll see why. This is how I make my version of Uncrustables. Now the peanut butter is starting to kind of spread out underneath here. It'll spread out even more when I cut it. But I just take a cup. I'll just push the cup all the way through until it hits the board. I know it's kind of a bad angle for that, but we're in a hurry again today. So we hit 50 on TikTok, 50,000, right? That sounds like a lot now. Yeah, 50,000 followers on TikTok. So thank you so much to TikTok followers for following us. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna give her a little bit of apples down here, some black olives here, because those are Bella's favorites. I should have made this into that TikTok lunch that I had done the other day, or the TikTok inspired lunch. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna give her a few little sprouted pumpkin seeds here. I gave her a little bit of yogurt up here, and I'm just gonna give her a few little sprinkles. And thank you guys for being here on YouTube, because without you, I wouldn't be on TikTok at all. You are the ones, you are my OG people. Anyway, so here is a little lunch that's dedicated to TikTok. We have a little peanut butter sandwich, some sprouted pumpkin seeds, some apples, a pepper, yogurt, and black olives. So, let's see what she eats. All right, Bella. Why do you talk like that? Goofball. Very nice job for our 50,000 followers on TikTok.
That was a lot of peanut butter on that sandwich.
It was?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It was so good.
I figured it was going to be kind of a lot. Then I kind of thought maybe it wasn't enough. But it was definitely a lot.
Okay, it was like a sandwich on top of a sandwich.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I'm surprised you didn't like squeeze out. Anyway, good job, Bella.